What's up guys, welcome back again to another amazing video, and I'm so excited about this episode. You see, Nairobi is a very big city and a lot of activities always take place here. Some we don't know while others we know. That's why we always take time to explore this city, and before we come back to you, ensure that we have amazing content that we also want to share to you. So we are trying to improve on our uploads. We want to make sure that every upload that we do really counts. So if you see there is a way that we can improve on our quality of our video, how we shoot our videos, how we do our content, maybe you can advise us on our way forward. So today we are visiting the Nairobi Car Bazaar. That's along here in Ngong Road. We'll be getting to know more about this place and what really happens here. So stick with me, because I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this video. And before you leave, ensure that you give this video a like, you share, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I want to thank everybody who has been sharing my content. Those of you who have been coming back to watching my videos, I really appreciate. You have been showing me a lot of support, and I can't take it for granted. So guys, stick around, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this episode.
Hi brother, I want you to tell me your experience here.
This place is cool so far.
It's cool, nice.
There's a lot of cars here.
Okay.
Look at the BMW.
We have
a Peugeot with the current number plate, of course.
Oh,
yeah.
What do you mean current?
Yeah, this is now there is a number plate. You're supposed to use this number plate right now.
So the old one is this, or
yeah,
is this
the old
old?
One. Yeah, this is the old one.
And say me, I'm not good with cars.
Like certain allowance to have the number plate. But this place is good so far. People are selling vehicles. If you're out there and you're looking for a car, maybe it's new, used.
But tell them first, we are not paid to do this.
No, we are not paid.
This is an honest video.
We are not being paid to advertise Car Bazaar, but we just like the kind of work that they are doing.
Yes.
So if you are looking for a car, or either you're looking to sell your car, I think this is a place that you're.
Let's take a walk as we talk.
To come and sell your car.
Yeah.
So apparently I had the chance to meet the chairman of this place. I was told that Car Bazaar was there since 1998. Imagine.
Sorry, in this place?
Yes, imagine.
And let me ask you, when did you know about this place?
Almost 2 months ago. And it's because of you. That's the reason I know this place. It's because of you. So today we are just going to walk around.
I wish they had tarmac the road.
Yeah.
We skate and explore.
But the place is good.
It's
so
good.
We're going to walk around, get to see some cars, maybe check the most expensive one.
Yes, come. There's this one. I was in the quest for looking. I was in the quest. This one is 2.
Guys, you're beating us pictures.
No, it's the car. We are even advertising you. So not enough exactly there. Not you. Yes. We are content creators.
But it's also okay.
Yes. First I don't focus on you because sina concept yako. You know, this is a metal. Before I go to you, lazima ni.
Unasema mimi ni muuza kama jamaa.
I know. It's respect. Kuchukua mtu bila kumuuliza si mzuri.
Courtesy.
Thank you so much.
Apparently he has more than 20 cars that he's selling here, and we are going to check some of his cars that he's selling. He has good cars, clean cars, not just good cars, clean cars. So our first car is it a Peugeot or a Peugeot?
A Peugeot.
It's a Peugeot. So this is a Peugeot. It's a 1.2L. It's a 1.2L. Yeah. Just look at that car. Just look how clean the car is. Just look how clean the car is. Yeah. Just look at the fiber linings inside the car. I mean, the good thing about coming to Car Bazaar, you have the chance to scout different cars so that you can look for the kind of car that you want. Here we have the high-end car, we have the cheaper car, all kind of cars. Now we have another one here. Just look at it. Come show them this one. Come show them this one. Show them the back. Look at the back.
Wow, this is really nice. I think they can see. I hope they can see how we can see it from here.
Just look at the front, the way it is.
Wow, look at that. Damn, man.
It's very clean. It's a clean car.
I love the dashboard.
And look at the seats. Have you noticed the seats the way they are?
This,
just look at the seats.
It's not leather. Is it that leather or I don't know what's that, but it's really nice.
I don't know the kind of material. No, I'm not that good in cars, huh?
Yes.
But I really love to have a car one of these fine days. Ta-da!
This one or this one?
This one.
What's the name of the car you love?
It's a VW. And the good thing about this car is going for only 2 million. So bro, I don't know if I should start an Arambe because
no, they should just subscribe, watch your video, share.
No, of course you should subscribe and watch my videos because
and we'll get these cars.
I mean, I can't wait for.
What do you like about it?
You see, a VW or an Audi. I would love to have those two cars, either a VW or an Audi. They are the true definition of luxury and speed. Luxury and speed.
I'm gonna take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall, it ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came for me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Putting my feelings all aside, do not know how to make it right. Pictures popping in my mind. All these occasions, let's work it out with me. Don't think it hurts to give another try on it. Nobody here know you like I do. Ask all of your friends if they know about your size.
One question. Land or car?
You said give me a hug and I said give me a break. I wasn't trying my best. All the mistakes that I made, I'm learning that it ain't the right move. Learn from my mistakes, ain't that what the adults do? We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could have happened or what could have been. Finally your face, I know ain't that a sight to see. Take my time to take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall, it ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came for me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Bet you got nobody around to make your day better. Sun brighter, don't got too much time, so girl, let's love now and talk later. Put your pride aside and let me in. You know I got better sense. You so good at self-control. Maybe now it's time for change. I've been alone for so long. Got the one, didn't realize good ones exist in the world till I lost one. Eye for an eye makes the whole world go blind. Things I would give to feel your lips for the last time. Go and hang with your friends. I put this bullshit to end. I rained on your parade and I just wish you the best. Time for me to bounce soon. I just wish I had someone to say I'm home to. We got history, got me feeling in the.
So that's it, guys. I really enjoyed shooting this episode. I met new friends. I got to interact with different people. It feels good to be out here, and I believe you enjoyed watching this video. So I have a lot of footage of this place, so I'll be sharing them with you. Expect more videos of this place, and until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video.